Never lie away, never lie away, never lie away, never lie away. We running it back with singing on Ome TV. Jadi gua kemarin tuh ngapalin lagu Rusia yang lain, cuman ya gua nggak tahu sih nanti gua bakal salah lirik atau gimana. Soalnya it's too hard to sing this Russian song, you know, like apalagi gua ngapalinnya baru kemarin gitu. Karena lumayan banyak juga yang minta gua buat bikin lagi reaksi nyanyi di Ome TV. Jadi gua tuh kayak terpacu gitu loh buat bikin lagi secepatnya gitu. Meskipun gua nggak tahu sih ini bakal maksimal atau enggak. Tapi ya I try my best. I try my best. Ya, jadi nanti diseling juga sama server Amerika. Soalnya ya biar nggak jenuh juga kan. So ya tanpa lama-lama lagi, let's to the whole point.
You play guitar?
Yes.
Can you play something?
Sure.
Play anything. I don't care.
Okay. Let's do this. I should've stayed at home, 'cause right now I see others people, they love me, but I still feel alone. Can't help but check my phone. I could've made you mine, but no, it wasn't meant to be, and see, I wasn't made for you, and you were made for me. So it seems so easy. And that's because I wanna be your favorite boy. I wanna be the one that makes your day, the one you think about as you lie awake. I can't wait to be your number one. I'll be your biggest fan and you be mine, but I don't wanna break your heart and make you cry.
That was so good.
Thank you.
Like, really, it was really good.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Anytime. You should really, like, make songs and stuff. Like, you're really talented.
Yeah, I will.
Can you sing?
Sure.
Okay, sing something.
Okay. Figured it out. I figured it out from black and white, seconds and now. Maybe they had to take some time. I know how it goes. I know how it goes from wrong to right, silence and sound. Did they ever hold each other tight like us? Did they ever fight like us? You and I know you gonna be like that. We can make it to the end. So nothing can come between you and I. Not even a good above can separate the two of us. So nothing can come between you and I. Oh, you and I.
But you're really good.
Thank
Really,
you.
really.
Why are you laughing?
I don't know.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for listening.
Bye.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh,
How are
hi.
you?
I really like your smile. You're so cute.
Thank you.
Can you play something for me?
Sure. You?
I would love to
Where you
sing.
live?
I live in Turkey.
Wait a minute.
Turkey.
Yep.
Are you use VPN?
Yeah.
Oh, I see, I see. Okay. I should have stayed at home. Cause right now I see all those people that love me, but I still feel alone. Can't help but take my phone. I could have made you mine, but no, I wasn't meant to be, and see, I wasn't made for you, and you were made for me. So it seems so easy. And that's because I wanna be your favorite boy. I wanna be the one that makes your day, the one you think about as you lie away. I can't wait to be your number one. I'll be your biggest fan and you be mine, but I don't wanna break your heart and make you cry.
You're going to make me cry. Your voice is so
my
good.
God. Thank you.
Oh, how old are you?
How do you
How old
think?
are you?
How old do I look?
I'm like 17,
No.
16. Oh, you look much more younger than that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Do you mean
How old
that?
do I look? Yes, I do.
I
Okay,
think
so
I think you're 15.
yes, I am 15.
Oh.
Congratulations.
But that is okay if I'm
But I
20.
thought you were like 17, maybe 16, so that like I was going to
Yeah.
flirt with you. And
Yeah,
now
because
I'm so sad.
I'm sorry
You're
about that.
20.
I'm
No,
really
it's
sorry.
okay. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. It's okay.
But you are so nice, you know.
Thank you.
You know, like
You too.
it's very difficult to find normal person. It's
I really
very
can't hear you.
it's very difficult to find normal person.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
They're all perverts. They're just jerking off.
yeah.
I saw so many people.
I-
It's really bad.
And I feel happy, you know, because yeah, finally I meet
Oh, same actually.
nice person. Finally I meet nice person like you.
Thank you.
Oh,
I'm happy that I met you too, actually.
oh
I'm
thank
going
you.
to write my Instagram. You will add me, sure? We're going to be
Okay.
friends. I don't want to lose someone like you. Your
Okay.
voice is incredible. You play the
Okay.
guitar very well. You're amazing.
Thank you, thank you. Hi. Hello.
We
How
told
are
me
you?
you come.
What is your name?
Elena.
Oh, beautiful name.
What?
That is beautiful name.
Thank you.
I want to make you
Я
happy,
падаю.
and I'm gonna sing for you. Never lie away, never lie away, and I wanna, and I wanna, тебе по сути, пожалуйста, молчи, смотри в глаза и ничего не говори. Я с рисунок рисует голубый, ты, пожалуйста, живи, просто убегай, и вспоминай, ты вроде вспоминай часто, мне на семестр. Хочу знать, если станет целовать, одежила мою футболку. Причем нету толку, это я дурак, ошибка чуть-чуть, и мне так влюбляешься, честно, помню на семестр. Хочу знать, если станет целовать, одежила мою футболку.
Keluar.
Thank you. That is from. So yeah, I don't know what to say because I can't speak Russia. But you are very nice.
Секунду, стой.
What?
А,
Okay. Lila 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 li. Lila 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 li. Meeting you stars is to need choose. It's a pity do is to cut you be used. Lila 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 li. Lila 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 li. Echani chachi. Tu pagasa. Echani chachi. Kimi говори слугу. Наив то говори, но мысли меня. Стой, все тебе не даю. Я не даю, да слушай меня. Mere tuga polosигус. Тебе вопне мои деньги, бери мои деньги. Я тебя не люблю. Уклади от меня и воскресай суицида. Лила 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 ли. Лила 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 ли.
молодец.
Thank you.
Yes.
Wajar ya.
Класс.
Oh,
Hello.
hello.
Блин. Hello.
Where you-
Гитара, гитара.
Where
Play
you from?
гитара.
Okay. I see.
Russian.
Okay. You're Russian.
Yes.
Ah, nice. Never lie away, never lie away. And I wanna, and I wanna, тебе прошу, ты, пожалуйста, молчи. Смотри, подай, ничего не говори. Я сурисил, не сурисни голуби. И отпустил, не позволит живи. Просто убегай, и вспоминай, которое вспоминает честно. Помню наше место. Хочу знать, что стали чуловать, чула мою футболку. Вечер нету толку. Это я дурак, ошибаюсь. Люди мне так любят, честно. Помню наше место. Хочу знать, что стали чуловать, чула мою футболку. Вечер нету толку. Это я дурак, ошибаюсь. Люди мне так любят. Oh, lie away, never lie away.
Good. Good. Very good.
Thank you. You're really cute. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. You can play the guitar?
Yeah, sure.
Very
Yes.
good.
I actually singing song for people. Yeah. Never lie away, never lie away, and I wanna, and I wanna,
This is Russian
прошу,
music.
ты, пожалуйста, молчи. Смотри, подай, ничего не говори. Я сурису, не сурисни голуби. И отпустил, ты, пожалуйста, живи. The story began, yeah, yeah, yeah. Years from midnight, yeah, yeah, yeah. Just one midnight tester, when you not semester. But just not just started to love you. Did you like my youth of Boku? Bet you me to talk. Bet you do that, cause you bad you. Jim, you took the best, just when you not semester. But just not just started you love you. Did you like my youth of Boku? Bet you me to talk. Bet you do that, cause you bad you. Jim, you took the best, oh, well, lie away. Never lie away.
It's very good. Very
Thank you.
good.
It's. I haven't watched.
Oh my god.
So,
Is that
we
Russian song?
we can
right?
speak Russian. We can speak Russian.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Вот, мы сейчас
But-
говорим по-русски.
This is cool. Это просто.
Ты идеально спел, просто прекрасно,
Thank
просто.
you.
Exciting. Exciting.
Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. But do you know that song?
Repeat, please.
You know that song?
Yes.
Yeah, sure. You know that song because you're from Russia, right?
Yes.
Yeah.